Uzamaka is still in her coat. 12-hour shift at Danderyd Circus, Stockholm. The apartment is cold in the particular way northern apartments are cold. The cold that lives in the walls. November sky. The light will not improve. Her phone buzzes. Mama. From Abakaliki, 6,000 kilometers away. Already in the day. Her mother's voice arrives warm. Uzamaka, anom n'ahịa. Ị nọ ebe? Where are you? Uzo is still wearing her lanyard. Anom n'ụlọ. She does not say, I just got here. Does not say the winter dark is a weight she did not expect when she left 14 months ago. Her mother hears everything that wasn't said. Ị nọ mma? Anom n'ọrụ. And she laughs at herself. She is home, not at work. But it is the right answer in every other sense. Staying costs something. Her mother laughs. Not amusement. Recognition. The radiator ticks. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 43, Week 9, Day 3, Wednesday. Today, why in Igbo? To say where you are is to say you are still ours. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Abakaliki Market. Alive before 7 a.m. Uzo's mother calls from inside it. She needs her daughter's voice inside the day. Anom n'ụlọ sounds like a location. What it is presence. Keeping Igbo alive across distance is a survival structure, not sentiment. Today, 3 sentences, the answer to the question every Igbo mother asks. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Anom n'ụlọ. In English, I am at home. Anom n'ụlọ. Anom n'ụlọ. Anom n'ụlọ. Uzo in Stockholm. She means I made it back. Sentence 2. Anom n'ọrụ. Anom n'ọrụ. In English, I am at work. Anom n'ọrụ. Anom n'ọrụ. Anom n'ọrụ. She says it by accident. Her mother understands it perfectly. Sentence 3. Anom n'ahịa. In English, I am at the market. Anom n'ahịa. Anom n'ahịa. Anom n'ahịa. Her mother says this first. Rice stalls, Abakaliki, coming to life. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnigbonow.com. If you are driving, just listen. The workbook will be waiting. 3 days later, Uzo's Swedish colleague, Lena, watches her step outside in the cold for a call. Watches her whole face change. Tiredness lifts. Something older arrives. Lena asks, who calls you every day? My mother. She calls to find me. Lena nods. She will think about it for weeks. Nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ụzọ dị anya. Nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ụzọ dị anya. A child carried on the mother's back does not know the journey is far. The carrying is the love. The call is the carrying. Nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ụzọ dị anya. Nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ụzọ dị anya. A child carried on a mother's back does not know the journey is far. What the elders meant: the one who carries does not wait to be thanked. The carrying is the love. When Igbo people maintain the language across distance, they are enacting a survival technology. Dr. Chinenye Viola Udeze, Dr. Innocent Okwu Opurum, and Mrs. Njoku Uchenna Gertrude at Alvan Ikoku Federal University of Education, Owerri, named it in 2024. Igbo diaspora communities use language as structural uncertainty reduction. The Maori hold this same architecture across Pacific distances. Kanohi kite kanohi. Presence to presence. What sociolinguists call code switching, Igbo people have always called Tuesday. The call is not habit. It is architecture. If you want to practice these sentences with other families, with your children, the Igbo-speaking gym will soon be open. Before this day ends, say Anom n'ụlọ when you walk through your front door. To the room, to the walls. You did not know how far she carried you until you began carrying yourself. Now you know. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. Rate us wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka ọ bụrụ olu gị ka ha na-anụ. May your voice be the one they hear across every distance. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.